Ladies, welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge to see if I could do it. I got my phone here for the timer, obviously. And if I sound kind of weird, it's because I've been sick with like a sore throat and kind of like a cold. So we gonna swing with it. Let's make myself beautiful, So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out all the stuff down below in the description below. As always, check out the latest video, check out the eye for the main channel, and comment down below anything you'd like to see soon. I don't know what I'm gonna go with today, but I gotta get a drink real quick before I get started. And alright, I got my handy dandy phone here, but first we're gonna try to get everything ready. Alright, okay. Alright, are we ready? Alright, let me get everything out here. Alright, so I'm not sure what I want to go with. I'm thinking about something, just something simple, something, something like everyday type look. I don't know. My hair is just all over the place, even though I sprayed it with some stuff to try to keep it in place today. Okay. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Alright. Alright, excuse me if you heard that. So, are we ready? Let's get started, shall we? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm going to start with the makeup, obviously, because I don't want it to get all over my face. Hopefully you guys can see this. I got crappy setup, you know what I'm saying? So, I kind of want to go for something fallish, so hopefully I can do that. I gotta use this real quick so to see the reflection. I'm sorry. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this little color right here. I'm gonna end with this guy first, and then I'm going in with this guy. But first, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and get it really in there in that center, because sometimes it's hard to see the actual center of my eyeball sometimes. Oh shoot, we have like 3 minutes left, you guys. Alright. Ew. So I probably just gonna go into something simple. So I'm sorry that if you see this thing starting into the lens. Like I said, it's hard for me to see, so kind of have to make it do. Trying to do as fast as I can. Okay, I got 1 minute left. I gotta bake this. Oh shit. Sorry, my language. I lost my other one. Kind of fell, so I can't kind of. Alright, we gotta. How long do we have? Yeah. Alright, we got 59 seconds. We're going to do some highlight because highlight goes a long way. So we're going in with this little guy right here. Okay, we have left. I got 20 seconds to spare, so I'm gonna take this little guy right here. I'm gonna go in and take some of this extra junk out on my eyeball. Alright. There we go. Forgot my volume wasn't on. Alright. So, I think I did good. Oh, sorry. Doesn't want to turn off for some reason. Okay. Let me turn off this real quick before it starts. Alright. So, I mean, obviously it's not like perfect because it is 5 minutes of makeup, but I think it looks good. It's something simple. Something kind of fallish, you know. I didn't go in with that second color. I kind of just kept it with this guy right here. So that's what I kept with. I was gonna go in with this color, but I just kept it with one color. It makes it easier. And then I went in with this guy right here for my, you know, highlight. That's the word I was trying to think of. I can't think today, guys. And of course, I went in with this guy right here. And my foundation is this guy right here. It's been mine for a while now. I need a new one. I need a new one's almost out. And of course, this guy's what I use to get my makeup off and clean my face, because sometimes I get things all over my face dry. But I think it looks pretty good. I mean, obviously, it kind of looks kind of weird because my neck, but usually I don't usually do my neck because it, you know, it irritates the hair. So anyways, let me see if I can get super close to you guys. Alright. I don't want to knock over anything, so let me put some of this stuff down here real quick. Alright. Alright, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so maybe you can see. Okay, too close now. I mean, I think it looks really good, to be honest, for 5 minutes of makeup. So simple, it's easy. I mean, I like to do a little foundation and a little highlight and a little eyeshadow, you know, when it's simple and it's just an easy day, you know. So I'm sorry for my voice, but I thought this would be something I could do. I haven't done it yet, so why not? And I'm sorry that there wasn't that much Halloween stuff. It was kind of hard to do. It was just really, really hectic week. But we're going to be doing some fall stuff. And of course, Thanksgiving is coming around, so there'll be some cooking, some recipes, Pinterest related, obviously. And all that stuff's coming very soon. I have so many ideas for Thanksgiving and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little video to say hi. Hope you guys are having a great day. My voice sounds horrible, but I'm trying to make it work. Alright. Sometimes the drink helps. But anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any outdoors you'd like to see soon. And I think this was pretty fun. I mean, I got to challenge myself to see how fast I can actually do it. And I was actually worried how like the foundation would blend, but it actually looks pretty good, honestly. My nose is really itchy this morning. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe down below, and also you subscribe over here. Check out the latest blog, which should be up right now. The newest blog should be up right now, and it's featuring Amazon. I wanted to do like an Amazon related one because I'm an Amazon associate and affiliate right now. So I thought I could do like a fashion related one or something like that. I don't know yet which one I want to go with, but we'll see. I'm thinking fashion, but I don't know. Maybe beauty, but I don't know. But go check it down below in the description below for the blog website. Hopefully I will have the link to the blog as soon as this goes up. So check out that down below in the description below. And I'm hoping to do more videos soon. Hopefully if all these sicknesses go away, we'll film things, but it's kind of hard to do that right now, so we'll see soon. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. And that's all, folks. Wait, that's not it. That's all. XOXO. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.